How to prepare for my law entrance exams for the year 2026, whether you are preparing for 5 years law or 3 years law, right from the CLAT, MH LAWCET 3 years, 5 years, SLAT for symbiosis, nlat, AILET or any other law entrances. So there is a good news for all law entrance aspirant. On this Friday 27th of June, I am conducting workshop about all law entrance examination, how to prepare the examination, how to go about syllabus versus weightage, what are the list of law colleges in India, state level as well as university level, how to maximize my score, and lastly selection process. So all these pointers I will be discussing in this workshop. Without fail, must attend this workshop. You can join the WhatsApp community group, link is there in the description, or else you can contact our team on the given number. Every year thousands of aspirants appear for law entrances and they target top law college, but very few end up with, and reason is clarity about the roadmap, how to go about the syllabus, how to prepare, how to strategize your mock test. So if you don't want to score low marks in the exam and want to crack your law entrance in first attempt, then must attend this workshop. Link is there in the description. All the best.